Jalan langsung kat sini.
So all just look at this video. This video is our AI chip is basically working on the classification part because there are several parts in AI. So the chip is specifically for classification. So one of the application of this AI chip is when you know the cam recorder in the car, that when we walk, then after that we can take the video and we can process the video so that when we drive along the road, we can recognize the traffic sign whenever we come across with any traffic sign. Then we can like classify the traffic sign to whichever class that is trained in our training database. Why we want to do so is that for the future, like automotive, if we can recognize the traffic sign like speed limit 90 km/h, then we automatically feedback the signal to the brake or to the brake if we exceed that km/h. Then it's like a kind of automotive application. So this is the software base of doing this, because this is we are taking the video, then after that the training database is stored in the cloud. Then when we need to compare with this traffic sign, although there is a delay that maybe we human cannot even know that there is a delay between this, but there is actually a delay because you need to like go to the cloud and take some data and come back again. So that's why we are doing this in hardware based. Oh, yeah. So this is the part that, because there's several parts in getting this project to be completed. This is the first part where we need to agree, we need to take the data from the whether by camera or video. Then we need to process the traffic sign until we can get the information that we want. Then after that we will load the training database into the FPGA board. Which is this is the DE1 SoC. So we load a large training database into here. Then after that we can compare the test. This is the test data input. We can compare this test data with the training database. Then after that it will output like say this is belongs to like 80 km/h. So this is the first part where we process the image to get the information that we want. There are several stages. So let me just go to the input image so that you guys can get I overshoot that. So that is the input. Wait. Okay, this is the input where we take from the camera as the input. Then our purpose is to extract the traffic sign. This is one of the application. Okay. So we will do some process, some stages to remove the background noise. I don't know if you guys take image processing. This is basically image processing. So after that, after we go through several stages, there is a code behind this running, and after that we can get this sign. This 90, you notice that there is a red circle around that. Because what is the similar thing between 60, 80, 90 and 110? It's the 0, right? So if we want to get rid of the background noise as much as possible, we need to remove the 0. So we need to get only the information like 6, 9, 11, or 3 for 30 something. So first we need to recognize the traffic sign from all this, the entire image. Oh, please notice that the small one here, the size is this small because we make it we purposely set the size to be like this. So after that, we only take this 9. Then after that, we will take the pixels of this information. Then we will compare with the training database. Then this is the first part for the red traffic sign speed limit. There is another one. We can recognize also the yellow traffic sign. So there is some steps behind also. Wait, the processor a bit. So we only get this information and we extract the pixels and put into the training database. I'm sorry that we cannot show the simulation for this training database because it needs time to collect such a large amount of database. But the simulation shows that this design has an accuracy of over 80%, which is quite good because our design is based on hardware. We prove that this can be used, the AI can be applied in hardware based, but not only the software based. So any question from you all? No, then thank you very much.
Finish already, but
Quite interesting. Which are the interviews?